Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. I just have to talk about this GarveeHome over the toilet storage cabinet. And honestly, it's been such a game changer for my bathroom. First off, the design is so cute and farmhouse chic. I love the white finish paired with the rattan doors. It just gives the whole bathroom such a fresh, stylish vibe. I went ahead and well mounted it for extra stability, and I'm so glad I did. It feels super secure, which is great if you have kids or just want peace of mind. Even though it's freestanding by design, adding that wall mount just makes it feel extra sturdy. And the best part is that it fits perfectly over the toilet, giving you extra storage exactly where you need it. I've been using it to hold towels, toiletries, and even a few decorative touches, and it really helps declutter the space. Assembly was surprisingly easy. Everything fit together smoothly and the instructions were clear. Overall, this is sturdy, stylish, and super practical. I feel like it really upgraded my bathroom without taking any extra floor space, and it's perfect if you want a little farmhouse charm with real storage power. And that's just my point of view.